fellow coders. TD here, your enthusiastic guide on this exhilarating journey through the world of coding. Today, we're diving headfirst into the dynamic duo of Python, Jupyter Notebook and Borb PDF. I'm absolutely thrilled to have each and every one of you join me as we embark on this adventure into the realm of automation and coding. Whether you're a seasoned developer or a curious newbie dipping your toes into the coding waters, buckle up because we're in for a wild ride. Now, let's talk about tonight's mission. So, picture this: my wife, lovingly, of course, came to me with a urgent demand. Okay, maybe it was more of a polite suggestion, that I develop a shiny new tool for automating the generation of bulk invoices straight out of an MS Excel file. You see, she's had it up to here with sending them one by one, and she's on edge about accidentally sending an invoice to the wrong recipient. I guess this mission's motto is, happy wife, happy life. Alright, let's get our tools ready for the journey ahead. First things first, we're going to grab the latest version of Python from the official website, https://www.python.org. But wait, we're not settling for the standard installation, we're going custom. And hey, don't forget to treat your system to a quick restart after this step. Trust me, it'll thank you later. Once Python and pip are cozy on your system, let's fire up the command prompt or terminal to give them a checkup. Just type Python a version and pip a version to ensure everything is good to go. Now, on to the next chapter of our adventure, Jupyter Notebook. Head over to https://jupyter.org and get ready to add this powerful tool to our coding arsenal. Using pip, Python's trusty package manager, simply run pip install notebook in your command prompt or terminal, and voila! Navigate to the directory where you want to work and type Jupyter Notebook in the command prompt or terminal. This will kickstart a local server and open the Jupyter Notebook interface in your default web browser. But wait, there's more. We're not stopping there. Next up, we're bringing Borb PDF into the mix. Head over to https://borbpdf.com and prepare to level up your PDF game. With a quick pip install Borb in your command prompt or terminal, you'll be all set to create stunning PDFs in no time. And there you have it! With Python, Jupyter Notebook, and Borb PDF in our toolkit, we're equipped to conquer any coding challenge that comes our way. Stay tuned as we dive deep into the world of automating invoice generation using these incredible tools. Trust me, the best is yet to come. Until next time, happy coding! TD.